feel like the cowardly lion on that yellow brick road searching for a better lace.
I know you've been going through a lot, I see, but you ain't gotta worry about that with me. I'ma do you like you want me to tonight. I'ma light it up like the 4th of July. Just tell me, baby, how you really want it. Just tell me, baby, and I'ma get up on it. Just tell me, baby, it's whatever you want. Just tell me, baby, tell me, baby.
You got a man, but it's cool, you know. But he don't put it down like me, you know. Best believe it, show. I'm the nigga that'll let you know. I wanna take you around the world, baby, can we go? For sure. And I'ma beat it up in the late night. And I'ma eat it up cause it tastes right.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIE RASHON. So for today's video, I'm giving you guys a first impression on a new unit from Sensationnel. But before we get into all the specs of this unit and what I think about it straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this is a new unit by Sensationnel. I purchased it with my own coin, so this video is sponsored by me. It's a part of their Cloud9 Swiss Lace What Lace wig line. It is the unit Darlene. This is what her card looks like. I got her in the color Money Piece Hazel. This unit does retail between $50 and $60 depending on the website that you purchase her from. That does not include shipping, so make sure you go ahead and shop around for that because that can be some coin too. This unit does come like all the others with a 13x6 lace parting area, so that's 13 inches from ear to ear as well as 6 inches deep in the middle. It also comes with 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. Now I will say the way this unit is fitting on my head right now, I would say that it is big head friendly. I do have on my wig grip and I also have my hair cornrowed under this unit, so be mindful how you have your hair under your units will adjust the fit just a tad. Now I know everybody's already looking at my lace because I know you can see it right here because I can see it. For some reason I could not get that to blend down the way I wanted it to because I did not feel like gluing this unit down all the way. I just went in with my edge control or my edge booster to put this unit on. The lace that we've seen on Kiara and Danzy and now Darlene and I'm assuming Camille is a little bit darker than the lace that we saw when the units first dropped, so Janelle and Morgan, all them. If we could get like a light brown lace, like not a white, don't try to do, like to me it's like they're trying to do transparent lace. Transparent lace doesn't always work. It's like we know about the lace already and we're still buying the unit, so you know, whatever. This is a premium fiber unit, so she is heat safe up to about 400 degrees. However, it does already come in these type of, I would call them like a crimp and curl. It's like a wand curl mixed with a crimp. So that's what we're gonna call it. We're gonna call it the crimp and curl and keep it moving. I will say I did not brush this unit. This looks like this based on like my finger movements and trying to maneuver the hair in different styles. And with that, the wig turned into kind of like a bushy mess almost. I won't say it's messy to the point that I don't like it. I think it's still pretty. However, it's bushy to the point that this unit's not gonna last long. Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. My first wear in this unit, and this is after I tried to style her up in a half up, half down ponytail, which you guys probably saw on my thumbnail. But it just wasn't working out the way I wanted it to. I feel like the cowardly lion from Wizard of Oz on that yellow brick road searching for a better lace. One second. But with that being said, when I took the ponytail down, it kind of made this like nest almost at the top of my head because it was like the hair had already started to tangle from me just putting it up into that ponytail. So be careful, know the style. God dang, know the style you're gonna do before you try to maneuver the hair, because if you don't, you try to do it on your head, it's gonna be a mess. That is my main downside with this unit, as well as the feel of the unit. Now, initially out the pack, it did feel soft. After maneuvering the hair and doing trying to do the different styles with it, the hair has become a little scratchy. If I had my turtleneck on, my neck would be safe. However, it's scratching the back of my neck right now because the hair is kind of getting a little, it's not matted yet, but I can feel it matting up. I don't know if it's red or not, but it is irritating the back of my neck based on the fibers of this unit. I was kind of hoping the softness would last through the unit, but unfortunately it did not. But anyway, let me show you guys what it looks like from the side. So on me, she's a good, I would say about a good 20 inches on me. And then in the back, she comes down about, I would say that's about mid That's about almost mid-back. That's about mid-back to me, a little past mid-back. Color is gorgeous in my opinion. The color I think is my favorite part of the unit. Now this unit does come in some different colors. It has a green in there. It has a, is that a yellow? What is that? Yeah, mustard. It has a T2 copper, money piece hazel, money piece gold, money piece blonde. My girl Phoebe Rome, I think she did a money piece blonde, which was really, really pretty on her. I think these units are good for the color blends. However, it's like, I wanted to be happy about it, okay? I wanted to love this unit. I think the hype for me died down when they did not release it when I felt they should have released it. Like I knew about this wig before the end of summer. They already had it on their website about fall releases. And I saw this one and Camille. And I was so excited because we had Yaki texture from Kiari and Danzy. So I just knew it was gonna be some type of Yaki or maybe a human hair blend. Just saying. We couldn't stick in that line. As you can see right now, I think it looks pretty. It has a good look to her. Like this looks good, okay? But up close, you can already see what I'm talking about? And I did not brush this unit, so there is a lot of frizziness going on with these units. This is not gonna last a long time. And laying on my man's chest, he may not like it as much. Yeah. I'm a little underwhelmed. I think this is a pretty unit. I think it is pretty. But honestly, I probably wouldn't buy this again. The way the texture feels on my neck, plus it's kind of hot in here, so it's like the heat plus the texture and the curl is just, it's sticking to my neck and it's irritating it. So that would be a problem for me. She gives a nice look, but as far as a total package, I would say this is about a 7. If you get her, I don't feel like you'll be wasting your money because she would give you a look. But if you're looking for longevity in a unit, no. You know, it sheds and tangles. It's already looking like this, pretty much an hour of wear. So yeah, no. I will put some links for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Thank you guys so much for checking this video out. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.